Hello.
Hi. That's my niece.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
You can introduce me.
Yeah, of course.
I'll speak something.
Grade 12. She finished grade 12.
Ah, you finished grade 12. Okay.
Yeah.
You teach us English in grade 12, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So
Teacher.
you're not,
Teacher.
have you ever dated a foreigner? No?
What?
She
Have
never-
you ever dated a foreigner?
Soon maybe.
So hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today we will gonna show Johnny. We will gonna show him our mango farm. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's that there?
Gym.
What? Okay.
You can pay maybe 600 a month for the gym. That's $10 a month, $11 a month for the gym. Yeah, this is my dad's birthland and he grew up here.
Okay.
So he married my mom at age of
Amazing.
19 years old or 20 years old. My mom was 22 that time or 23. I think he married to my mom at 21 and my mom that time was 23.
Wow.
Yeah, my mom is older but he looks older than my mom. Yeah. I think men looks, it's easy for them to get older, right?
Yeah.
The looks, but it depends on your habits. If you are doing bad habits, then you can have the bad looks, right?
Yeah.
Very narrow road, right?
Very narrow.
It's narrower than my mom's, going to mom's house. Look at that, guys, very narrow. So this is the end here, the end road here. Go over there. We just parked there
Where do we park?
inside. Just continue.
Continue.
People, we're gonna love you here.
I don't think people have seen foreigners up here.
No, there's no foreigner here. Oh,
Well, there's a shop.
yeah.
Do you reckon they've got electricity yet?
No electricity
Still.
until Bais.
Okay.
Bais to here. So we're entering the village right now, guys.
Wow, there's some goats. I can
Yeah.
smell them.
Look at the goats.
Hello.
Wow! They're waving. Look at the goats.
Wow, look at the goat.
He looks like you.
Does he?
Yeah.
It's happier than me.
He looks like you.
It's happier than me, that one.
So you're not happy.
I'm
Look at
always happy. Hello.
He's mad. Oh, that's our neighbor there.
Hello, neighbour.
In mom's house.
Yeah, what are you doing here? You get everywhere, you do.
That's her grandma's
Is that
house.
grandma's? Okay. This is mad. Everyone's in these wooden huts.
Yeah. It's wooden hut here, right?
Yeah.
That's their houses.
Wow.
You amazed?
This is a proper mountain. Like,
Yeah?
I've never seen nothing like it.
Ah,
This is amazing. Look,
Wow.
banana trees everywhere, coconut trees, and just wooden houses. And it's like a real village.
it is. The
Does anyone earn any money here? There's nothing to. There's nowhere to earn any money.
no farming, nothing. They're one of their
pure
family
poverty.
members. Yeah, pure poverty. Family members are working in the city.
Ah, they go into the city.
Yeah, or just like my dad,
Okay, yeah, go to Manila
go to Manila,
to
work
send money home.
in a mango farm.
Yeah.
Yeah. How could you make farm here?
Makes you realise how
many
lucky we are.
so many rocky. Big rocks, right?
Big rocks.
Yeah, you cannot have farm here. It's better in my mom's place because you can have farm there, right?
Yeah.
But here there's no farm
There's
at
no
all.
path here.
Hmm?
There's no road.
No road. Look at it.
Yeah, turkey.
It's big. That's male.
Yeah.
The male is beautiful than female. Look at that. I'll show you, babe, where we walk every day before. Going to my every week going to my grandpa's house.
Really?
Yeah, that is the river.
Oh, there's a
Down
river
there.
is
Yeah.
there? Okay.
It's a river where we
Can you
wash.
swim in it, or is it polluted?
You can swimming.
Really?
Yeah, where you can wash your clothes.
Okay.
You know, from my mom's house, we wash our clothes there in the river. We just walk, going up
Wow.
once in a week or twice.
That's amazing.
Yeah, because we don't have water in mom's farm.
So
We
you
live
used to walk
there.
to the river
Yeah,
when you was younger?
yeah, 2 hours walking.
2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours or 1/2 an hour, and it's
It's starting
uphill.
to sink in how difficult your childhood was. But
So
you just
difficult.
Got used to it.
So
You
difficult.
just dealt with it. You overcome.
Yeah, that's
so
why
much obstacle.
that's why I don't like to go back.
Wow.
Nobody wants to go back this kind of life, right? But it's nice to remember.
Yeah. And you do,
It's good.
realise seeing this how lucky we are in the West.
Yeah,
the
you
foreign.
guys are very lucky in the
So lucky.
West. Yeah. Here in the mountains, it's so hard to get water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you have to walk for 2 hours to get some water to drink. You
Of
know you're up
course.
against it
yeah.
because you're really hot here.
It's really hot.
Really hot.
But we are doing that only summer. From
There's
February.
more houses up the front.
So many small
Really?
houses, yeah. And the mangoes start here, but this is not mine.
Oh, these are mangrove trees.
Mango.
Mango.
Mangrove.
Mangrove. Mango trees. Oh, look, there's some new ones up there.
Yeah. So rocky, right?
You know what it feels like?
What?
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
These ferns,
Jurassic Park.
massive boulders. I'm expecting a pterodactyl to fly down and swoop on me in a minute.
It feels like Jurassic Park, guys.
I built up in the mountains here.
Yes, his emotion is he really,
It's emotional.
yeah, he really melt. You melted?
Yeah, I can feel the heat.
Yeah. Oh,
It's a
Burikat.
snake, it wasn't.
You can really
I
see
trod on a twig and it shook in the bushes.
the village here, guys. Can you see? Look at the chicken. Look at their water.
Yeah, very low flow. Look at that.
Very low flow.
That's all they've got to drink.
Yeah.
Do they wash with that as well?
Yes.
So
Or maybe they go to the river for washing.
maybe they go to the river. Hello.
What if you leave a house like this? Babe,
Huh?
can you survive?
No.
No?
I don't know if I'm going to survive this walk. I don't, let alone living here.
He don't know if he can survive the walk. It's super uphill.
Listen, look, show them how steep that hill is. I think you need a level 2 rock climbing
Look at that, guys.
certificate to be able to get up there.
The, really? For health?
You need to go on a health and safety course to climb this mountain.
Health and safety codes, guys. You don't have to because that's the last bit.
Yeah.
You can relax.
I'm okay.
You okay?
Show me the mangroves. Is that them there?
Mangrove. It's not mangrove. It's
Oh,
mango.
Mangoes.
That's the mango.
Oh, they're the mangoes.
Yeah. You happy?
I'm
You're
happy.
almost. Ay, birakang burikat.
I'm so happy. Look, I'm leaking.
You're leaking.
Mm.
Or licking.
Oh, that's good.
We're here.
We're here.
He's complaining, not concerned.
No, I'm not complaining. I know that it's
Look-
going to be a
look
lot
at
easier
this.
to go back.
Look at this.
Aloe vera.
No, it's not.
What is it?
I don't know. But that's scary. If
Okay.
you're drunk,
And you fall on that.
you fall on that,
you
gonna
get
puncture.
spiky.
You're fine?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm
So
loving
see that? See over there, there's a mangoes.
it. Yeah,
Then see the mango there?
yeah.
So we walk down from there, going down to the river.
Is that your farm then, there with the smoke?
No,
Up there, see the smoke?
no,
Where's your bit then?
it's far.
Foreigners can say they've done this.
No, wow, dedication.
How many foreigners have been to this spot?
No, it's you.
Me,
You're the-
I'm the only foreigner ever been here.
Yeah,
That's crazy, isn't it?
Because nobody in the family got foreigner.
Yeah. So
You're the
no
first
one's-
foreigner in the
foreigners ever been to
family.
this point of the mountain ever.
No.
Wow. See, I knew I was an explorer. Just destined to be someone.
Look at the
important.
view.
Yeah. Wow, that is a beautiful view.
Yeah.
The only problem is there's no road up here.
No
you
road
can't
up
build
here. Yeah, and you're gonna be a big problem for the road access because
Yeah.
different owners of the land.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so handsome.
What?
Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm looking at the view. That's made me so happy. Look at that.
How about at the back?
The view's good there, yeah.
You
I'll collect my
got
prize.
so many dirt on you.
I'm just absolutely dripping wet. I'm filthy dirty, but I've achieved something.
Yeah. This is just 1/4
Where do
of
I collect my
hiking.
medal?
This is just the 1/4 of hiking. I'm your medal. This is the mango that we have.
Okay,
Look at the flowers.
okay.
If that one will
That turns into
mango,
mangoes.
perfect.
Okay.
Lot of money.
Wow, are these all your trees?
Yeah.
Amazing.
A lot, right?
They're massive.
Massive trees.
They must have been here a few years. How old are they?
Ah,
Years. 80? 100?
no. Maybe 50, 60 years
Wow.
or 40 years.
No, they look older than that.
I think this is 40.
Look, they're like 3 foot across at the bottom.
I think this is
They've
40
got to be
years.
older than that. This one here
Hmm.
is older than 40 years. Look, you can't. It's 4 foot across the bottom of this one. Look,
Big as you.
it's not 50 years old.
Yeah, I think spray for the.
There's a house here. Whose is the house?
That's my aunt house.
Is it?
My dad's brother.
Okay, we're going to go and say hi.
He said swimming pool.
Yeah.
This is where you store the chemicals to spray.
Ah, the chemicals to spray the mango.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, look at this. This is your family members up here, yeah?
Yeah.
Go and say hi.
Yeah, you can say hi and go. Wow, that's rude.
Wow.
Hi and go. You can. That's my two dad's brothers.
Is it? Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Very handsome. Daddy very handsome.
Yeah. That's brother.
Yeah.
Okay.
My dad lives here before. That's
Okay.
dad's house in here.
Ah, okay. Hello.
Hi. That's my niece.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
You can introduce me.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Look at the duck. That is the duck that they
Oh, look
want
at
to
the
sell.
duck.
They want to sell me for 1,000.
Is it? That's an expensive duck.
Expensive duck. Expensive duck.
Foreigner tax.
Foreigner duck. Look at the duck.
Yeah.
He looks like
Do you lay
you.
golden eggs?
He looks like you.
Okay. I'll waddle right then.
That's not me.
I'll walk
Oh.
like
Oh.
wobble.
Sana all.
What about my hair?
Ah,
Guapo?
it's colorful.
Philippine flag.
Philippine
Ah.
flag.
Philippine
Blue
flag.
and red.
Yeah,
Where's
blue
the
and
star?
red.
The
Yeah.
Korean
Where's the star?
Oh, I couldn't do the star. It was too difficult.
Ano rami? Bato niya mi? Wala. No, but they have electricity, but today is brown out
Yeah, it's brown out. Everywhere.
everywhere.
Yeah, even 7-Eleven in the town.
Mommy, that's his wife.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. You can see? Wala siya kita. But when they will get divorced, this is his
Yeah.
house.
Yeah.
Oh,
His
okay.
house. So we'll get divorced. This is his
That's
house.
where you sleep at night. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, when he get drunk, he will sleep here.
Husband showing me his new house.
Ani si daddy ko matulog pag magbulag mo. When they separated, he will sleep here. Yeah, his bed is ready.
Very hard that bed. Huh?
I know his second wife. His second wife.
Oh, congratulations.
His second wife. But you know he not thinking that he's single.
Oh, okay.
He never been married.
Never been
That
married,
one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same as me. No.
Yeah.
Wala ta ka unya.
So is this your cousin?
She's my cousin's daughter.
How old are you?
18.
18. Wow. And you live here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
she live here.
Wow, that's amazing. Do you go to school here?
No.
You
No,
don't
she's
no
done.
school?
No.
You speak good English for no school?
She's
how
the
do you speak so good
grade
English?
12. She finished grade 12.
Ah, you finished
Yeah.
grade 12. Okay.
Yeah.
You teach us English in grade 12, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So
Teacher.
you're not-
Teacher.
have you ever dated a foreigner? No?
What?
She
Have
never-
you ever dated a foreigner?
Soon maybe.
Soon. Soon, maybe.
Is it good to date a foreigner? No?
Let me think about it. It's perfect.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Arira kay
I can't believe how
It-
nice it is here. It's peaceful.
peaceful.
It's lovely. It's quiet.
Middle of Jurassic, yeah, you said.
dinosaurs.
Jurassic World kuno. Dinosaur. Where's the dinosaur? He's
Yeah.
sitting down on the chair. Look at the dinosaur. Dinosaur almost naked. Dinosaur got short pants.
Yeah, dinosaur has many wives.
Many wives. He got many wives. Galing.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I like it. It's very peaceful.
Look at the mango. Cover
I
up
know,
with the
it's so
paper.
many.
We cover up with papers. Look at
Oh,
that
is
mango
that-
fruit.
Oh, where did you put the paper? Oh, yeah, the newspaper.
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
Yeah, to
Okay.
protect from the
From the
insects.
insects? It stops them
Yes.
biting them?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
It's cool, right?
There's a lot to put up.
It's a lot.
A lot of mangoes.
But there's more coming, the babies one.
Yeah.
The flowers as well.
Yeah. Have they got water up here?
Yes,
How do
but
they get water?
from the mountain, from the spring.
Really?
Yeah, but
so high
it's
up.
too
This
hot.
must be one of the highest points.
No.
It's really
So everyone, we're here in the house right now, and mom is in the house, I think. Do you think she's in the house?
Yeah, she's in the house.
She's in the house, so
See her.
we will give her the flowers now. Go,
Okay.
babe, get
Shall
it.
I get 'em?
John is getting the flowers.
For you.
Oi!
Ah!
Ah!
Happy Mother's Day.
I thank you.
Here.
Wow.
Look,
Wow.
look at that.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wishing.